Hi everyone, here's Alan from AIIFAR. Now we come to the company which is the first in the world to produce DTF printer machines, the AIIFAR Electronics. And welcome to our manager, Guangzhou. Hello my friend.
Nice to meet you. Welcome my friend. I'm the foreign sales manager of AIIFAR. Welcome to the AIIFAR Electronics. As Alien said, we produced the first DTF printer machine in the world in 2019. And since then, our machines have been popular and selling well in the US and the Europe printing market as high-end technology products.
So Connor, I wonder why is there such a high share in the high-end market in Europe and America?
So let me introduce our pattern design machines to you in terms of the functions, right?
Okay, so could you please take me to visit your factory tour and the production line?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so let's go.
Here is our production line, actually an sourced DTF factory in China, with more than 8 years experience of producing printers. AIIFAR is the first to change their printing process from DTG to DTF. Since DTF has been repeatedly popular for 2 years, and the garment printer process has gradually been replaced by DTF production instead of DTG production. So today, let's follow Colonel John to see what technology advantage that AIIFAR has.
So Connor, what is this?
Please take a look. This is our new generation of DTF printing machine.
Okay.
After 3 years of continuous development, it now uses many technologies independently developed by AIIFAR. In particular, the latest innovative printing system is our exclusive pattern all around the world.
So Connor, hearing of what you said, I know that this machine has applied with many technology, especially self-developed exclusive pattern globally, right?
Yes.
Okay. So could you please introduce these new technologies for us?
Yes, why not? Normally when you use the other manufacturers' DTF printer machines, in our brand new pattern-developed printing process of innovative printing system, apparently you can see that no matter the paper, the card, or the print heads are even non-stop. Very fast, high frequency, and that means higher printing efficiency. In addition to our software program, it also requires the cooperation of each technology of the printer in order to maintain high speed and stable work, which significantly enhance your production capacity. For example, our developed tension balance filling system, compared with the traditional model, our paper filling system mainly uses a different way to control of how the paper goes. As we all know, it is all that matters about the print heads. AIIFAR has designed a perfect plan of maintaining the print heads. This model is the newest self-developed CAP station of AIIFAR. It's the most comprehensive nozzle maintenance function currently on the market.
Alright Connor, we have realized how valuable of the pattern technologies of AIIFAR's DTF printers.
Yes.
So could you please introduce these machines to us next? Are there any advanced and pattern technologies can also share with us?
Yes, come closer, let me tell you detailing. According to the powder shaker, you see there is a operational panel here, and we can see that it is completely automatic. And of course, the manual control can be available. Yes, and when you click here, it is the auto mode. So it only needs one person to operate 3 machines at the same time. Then take a closer look at what sensor technologies are used. Okay, as we can see through the operational panel, right, we can see the weight value is recorded here. And the weight sensor can control the weight of the powder to decide whether the machine works or not. When the film passes through the weight sensor, there is not enough hot melt powder on it. Then the signal will be transmitted to stop the paper feeding and heating. So it starts to add powder automatically to get more perfect results. On the left is an integrated smoke purifier. which is more environmentally friendly and can exhaust all the fumes at the same time. Users also do not need to install additional smoke exhaust pipe. When the film is evenly covered with a layer of hot melt powder, it goes to the oven for baking and passes through the intelligent temperature lamps, which can save 40% of powder consumption. When the pattern is baked, the transfers will be rolled up neatly, no matter how large the diameter of the film. The tension balance sensor controls the speed of the take-up according to the tension. The take-up force, here. No manual adjustment by the user is required. The printer with automatic print heads maintenance, together with the fully intelligent sensor powder shaker, is a complete set of AIIFAR's fully automatic DTF printing system.
Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us in any time, and I will put the website here. Thank you.
AIIFAR.com. Make global trade easier.